YouTube is a career everyone wants now, and who can blame us? Do what you enjoy, earn money from it, and be financially free to go and do whatever you want. But along with these amazing benefits comes loads of competition. It feels like everyone and their mum is trying to grow a YouTube channel right now and trying to make it on this platform. And that means for me and you, who are nobodies right now, it is incredibly hard to get noticed and to start growing. And it's no secret that if we want to stand out, start getting loads of subscribers and loads of views, that we're going to have to think differently to every other person with a YouTube channel. This is why if you've just started a YouTube channel or you're in your first couple of years, you have to adopt a fierce mindset that is going to make you one of the lucky ones. So firstly, let's think of the average creator that's just started to make YouTube videos. It's very likely that they have quite a one-dimensional mindset. I'll upload videos, get loads of views, get loads of money, loads of subscribers, and that is it. My life's taken care of. No need for a job. Life's good. They don't stop to consider all of the tribulations that they're going to come across through this journey. And maybe quite naively, they don't think about how hard it is. So to give yourself a better mindset than the majority of these people, you need to accept the hard realities now. The reality is that for pretty much all of us, you won't blow up immediately, if at all. And it's going to be a long journey before you start seeing results that you imagined at the start. So prepare for that. Mentally prepare yourself for all of your banging videos to only get 20, 30, 100 views. Prepare yourself to have spent hours and hours on this video and it has flopped in the first day. Prepare yourself to get hate comments of people telling you you're shit and that your videos are terrible and that you should just stop. So accept this now, because there's a 99% chance that it will be the reality for your channel in the next year or so. Take a look at this recent mindset clip that I saw on Instagram that really applies to our situation as well.
My first 9 businesses
Didn't really amount to anything.
9.
9.
As in the first one, I spent time on it.
Fucking failed.
Second one,
This one will be different.
spent time on it.
Fucking failed.
Third one, this one,
This one, this is the one.
failed.
6 more after that.
And it's painful as shit because the whole time everyone is telling you,
I told you so, and they're right.
today,
But not forever.
I think this clip works really well in the context of YouTube success too. Your first video might not get any success at all. Your 10th video might not even get any views either. Your 100th video might only reach 500 people. And people will tell you in your life and in your comments sections that it's a waste of time. And they're right, but not forever. I think with this mindset, it also helps you focus on the things that matter too, like developing your skills, speaking better to camera, editing better, making better thumbnails, the resilience to get past that 10 viewed video that hurt your ego a bit, because you know that it's all just a part of the process and learning and developing, and that eventually you'll get the results that you're looking for. And every stinker video won't push you closer and closer to quitting. I personally have made over 100 videos and had 3+ years of failing at this already. And I think without developing this mindset early on, I would have really struggled to even make it to this point. And I'm going to carry on making video after video after video because I enjoy it and I believe I have the skills to make it one day. And another quote I saw from Chris Williamson is that you never know when the skills that you've developed are going to be called to the stage. So you never know when learning how to make better thumbnails, learning how to speak to camera better, and learning how to edit better will benefit you. Not just in YouTube, but in life and in your jobs too. And then eventually when you get momentum on YouTube, a video does really well and you start to build a big audience, you have all of the skills ready there. And then it will make sense in your head how important those first few years were and why it was so pivotal that you continued. So if you're serious about your future goals and getting success on YouTube, prepare yourself for a marathon. and prepare yourself for quite the roller coaster in your analytics. Another important thing about your YouTube analytics is to not over obsess about every little stat, and often this can do more harm than good. Watch this video right here to hear more. And if you want any help with your videos and making more of them, go to lasmedia.net down below. Peace.